Hi, thanks for tuning in. All right, we're going to be talking about this is going to be a non-alcoholic item. This is from Bai, and this is their Molokai Coconut. So 10 calories per bottle, but this is their let's see, antioxidant infused, no artificial sweeteners, electrolytes. All right, again, it's okay. Other benefits: daily hydration, 1 gram of sugar, vitamin E and zinc help support a healthy immune system, exotic flavors. Uh. All right, that sounds pretty cool. Molokai coconut. All right, this should be pretty quick. Think that's plenty, baby. Okay, looking good. What do we got working? What are we working with? It's clean. Got coconut. It's very coconut forward for coconut water. Again, you can see it's opaque. Yeah, that's clean. A little sweet, but coconut water nonetheless. That's nice. Coconut milk and water, and it's sweet. Um, all it's missing is pineapples, baby, and you got yourself a pina colada. It tastes like a colada without the piña. That's nice. That's clean and refreshing. I almost crushed what was in the cup because it was just that thirst quenching. You know what I mean? Like it has a great texture, good flavor, rather sweet, super hydrating. Like it's gonna get you there. So if you're trying to look for an alternative outside of water, I'd mess with this. Other than that, I got nothing else for you except for damn, this shit is good. Cheers.